In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change member roles in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a dynamic team or just need to adjust user access on your account, understanding how to efficiently change member roles is a crucial skill. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First of all, to begin, you'll want to navigate to your profile, which you can find right at the top right corner of your Monday.com dashboard. Once you're there, click on your profile icon. This will open up a menu, and from the options presented, you'll need to select Administration. Keep in mind, this section is a hub for adjusting various settings related to your workspace, so it's helpful to get familiar with navigating around here. Now that you're in the administration area, look to the left panel. You'll see a list of various drop-down options. What you're aiming for here is the directory. Click to open the drop-down and then choose Users. This action will direct you to a comprehensive list of all the members you've invited to participate in your workspace. It's important to note here that this centralized list allows you to manage user roles and access in a streamlined way. In the Users section, you should be able to see everyone currently associated with your Monday.com account. Browse through this list to find the specific member whose role you'd like to change. Once you have located the member, direct your attention to the User Role column associated with that member. You'll notice a drop-down menu situated there. This is your tool for adjusting roles. Clicking on this drop-down will reveal several options for roles you can assign. These include Admin, Member, Viewer, or Guest. Each role comes with its own set of permissions and capabilities. To give you a quick rundown, admins have full access to make changes across the board. Members can contribute to boards without full admin rights. Viewers can see board content, but not make edits. And guests have limited access, typically to specific boards or projects. Select the role that best aligns with what you need this individual to do within your team's workspace. And with that simple action, you're done. Changing member roles in Monday.com is a straightforward process, but it's an essential function for maintaining order and ensuring that everyone on your team has appropriate access to the tools they need. Remember, managing roles properly can help keep your projects running smoothly and securely. Thank you for following along in this tutorial, and happy managing. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to explore more of our resources or reach out for support.